Hey there guys, it's Mr. O'Shea, and today I'm outside in a park and I'm collecting roly-polies. They're also called sow bugs, they're called wood lice, pill bugs. They got a lot of different names. Here in Japan they're called dangomushi, and these are cool little bugs. They're actually not really bugs, they're related to shrimp and crabs actually. We built a habitat for them at our place. My daughter's taking care of them, so we decided we wanted more, so I'm gonna go collect more. Now, where do we find these guys? Well, this looks like a fantastic place to find a few roly-polies right now, because roly-polies like the dark. They spend a lot of their time in the dirt, eating dead leaves and stuff. So a good place to look for them would be under a rock. I've got a little container here. I'm gonna put them in and bring them back to our place. And there we go. I can see them right now. Now, roly-polies, when they're scared, roll up into a ball. You see it right there? We'll take that little roly-poly, put it in my container. There's a few other ones here too. There's two of them right here. Two smaller ones. And they roll up into a ball when they're scared or in danger. Obviously, when a giant hand is grabbing you, that's like danger. What's gonna happen when they start to feel comfortable, they're gonna open up and start to walk around. So you can see here, I've got a whole bunch of them now. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 roly-polies. And I'll show them to you when they open up. They tickle your hands when you hold them. You can see now, this one's opening up, but he's on his back and he can't quite crawl over. He's got 7 pairs of legs. And oh, I see other ones are opening up now too. Wondering, how do I get over? I want to walk, but I'm on my back. What do I do? You know that these little fellas have been on the earth since the time of the dinosaurs. They're called isopods. And look at them crawl around. Now you can see what a roly-poly is, and I'm sure you've seen these before. And it's really easy to make a little house for them at home and keep them as pets. I'm going to show you how we did that. Okay, so this is how you make a roly-poly habitat. It's essentially just a plastic container from the dollar store filled with soil, and inside, since these guys eat the leaves and things, there's some lettuce and a bit of cucumber. I put that in last night. You can see they ate that hole through. There's a small one right there, and there's probably more than 20 of them in here. So let's see, they don't like the light, so they hide under things. Okay, there we go. I can see a few of them in there now. Can you see those little fellas? There they are. Let's move in. So yeah, at night, since these critters don't like the light, they like the dark, they're nocturnal. So at night, if you come out here when it's dark and you turn on a light or put a flashlight on, it's basically like a roly-poly party in here. So again, just soil, some things that they can hide under, twigs, rocks, pieces of wood, and then just put in some veggies. You need to keep it moist. Give it a spray every morning with some water. And when you put the top on it, if you seal it, it's gonna get moldy, so something like that. And that's how you make a roly-poly habitat. So there's a fun little activity that you can do with your kids. You know, we need entertainment in these times of self-isolation and whatnot, right? So, you know, if you have a chance just to go to your yard, behind your house, somewhere like that, and find a bunch of these roly-polies. In Japan, they call them dangomushi. And, you know, we've had that habitat going on for about a month now. We can just make sure the top's off so it doesn't get moldy. From time to time, I'll go and get a few more. And, you know, just make sure that, you know, you just, every few days, you put a few little pieces of vegetables in there, or a couple of pieces of lettuce, and that makes them pretty happy. And, I don't know, the kids find it entertaining. So there is a boredom buster idea from me to you, something that's easy to do, a roly-poly habitat, and your kids can learn a lot about them. And yeah, maybe do some research and find out more about them, but that there are isopods and what an isopod is, and how long they've been around, how they eat, how they reproduce, all that stuff. All right, take care. Hope you're all doing well. Check the links below.